Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, this collection is very interesting related to the overage hairstyling looks. Overage hairstyle, mid-length and short length, and the pixie haircuts are looking so gorgeous and amazing. So guys, if you are looking gorgeous, then this collection is for you. Overage is just a number. 40, 50, 60 is just a number, age number, but your inner satisfaction and your inner personality and your inner age depend on you, depend on your mood, and depend on your personality. So guys, if you are searching the best YouTube channel related to the hairstyling and hair looks, makeup art, then you are the right place. And watch my videos on daily basis. One of the best platform related to the hairstyling, hair looks, hair dye, pixie cuts, pop skirts, as well as the lob skirts. The a huge amount of collection, guys. One of the best creative hairstyling and hair looks and style gorgeous. So guys, keep watching my channel on daily basis. I provide you the beautiful ideas, hairstyles and hair look. Enjoy your life and enjoy your age, because age is just a number, but your inner satisfaction and your inner personality is always home. So guys, keep watching my channel, share with your family and friends, and watch my videos because I upload on daily basis. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel, because I try my best only watch to do the creative hairstyling and creative art of hairstyling that you easily adopt. Take a screenshot and go to salon and take the best hairstyle and hair look over 40, 50 and 60 age. In this collection, you see the approximately 50 to 60 designs and 50 plus ideas, 50 hairstyling looks. Watch my videos to like the video, to share the video. One of the best platform, one of the best creative art of hairstyling and hair looks. So guys, the video is not stop, but you enjoy and like and share and comment. Watch the video till the end.